Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from One Tech Stop, and this is the Mpow Fast Charge. And I want to thank Mpow for sending this over for us to review. And I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I have to say, it's a pretty nice, pretty secure device. I like the fast charge. At first I messed up because I didn't read the instructions, but they have this bottom piece here that you could push up or push down, which enables your device to sit correctly with the fast charge. They also have adjustable settings. I have an S10 Plus and a Note 9, and then I have a little push button in the back that allows you to open up the device to take out. They have a telescopic arm that will extend. You could also adjust the setting in terms of height, and you also have in the back an adjustable ball point. So whichever direction you want to turn it in, you could. Now I have my S10 here, and I'll put it in, and as you heard right there, it's charging. So we'll swipe this up. I don't know if you could see right here, but right there where it shows 59%, you can see it's charging. You can take it out very easy, one-handed. Drop it, put it back in. Heard the noise. It's charging again. It has a side mount for the USB charger. It's a micro USB, not a USB-C. Goes right into your car charger, and it's a fast charger, as I'll show you. As you can see at the bottom, it says fast charging. So far so good. I live in New York City, and it's sustained all the potholes that we go through here. I recommend buying it. I'll put a link at the bottom of this video to show you where you can purchase it. It's not that expensive. I think it's in the $20 range. But if you need a fast car charger, wireless, Mpow is the way to go. I also like the fact that it'll hold the device sideways also. Some of the fast chargers I got only hold it vertical, not horizontal. So thumbs up for that. If you have any questions, hit me up at the bottom in the comments. If you appreciate this video, press the like button. If there's ways I can improve, please let me know. And please subscribe to us. This is Lenny Bond from One Tech Stop signing off. Thank you.